What's up, Mopar fans? As you can see, Frostbite's following us. We got Frostbite on the trailer behind my dad's F-250. We got my son over here in the passenger seat. Can't see him, but he's gonna be cameraman today. And we are heading on a 2.5 hour drive down to South Georgia to Silver Dollar Raceway. I have never ran on this track in my life. I've never even been there. I've heard it's got good prep and usually hooks up pretty good, but it's definitely a long haul. So we're going down there for a private test event where there's only about 20 cars, and we should be able to get, you know, a handful of passes for sure. Have no idea what we're going to run, but the idea is to hopefully get some good data and try to clean up the tune on the truck. As most of you guys know, we've been having like a sputtering when we launch, and this road I'm on, sorry guys, it is terrible. It's shaking everything crazy, especially with the truck back there. So bear with me. But as you know, the tune's been a little bit crazy with the truck lately. We've been sputtering when we're launching. So we're gonna hopefully get it on a real track today, get some real data, get a base time, what it'll run. As most of you guys know, we have turned the truck down. We're not shifting at 6,300 RPM like we used to on the NITROUS setup. We've turned it down to about 5,800 so that we could keep the supercharger at about 7 PSI right at the shift. When we had it at 6,300, we were hitting about 10 PSI, a little bit more than that, and that's not going to be good for stock pistons. So we're trying to keep it peaking at about 7 PSI. It's a 5-speed 2011 Ram with a stock converter in it still, and a Greene cam and custom tuning. So TorqStorm supercharger, long tubes. We're gonna get a base pass today and just kind of see where we're at. Last year we ran 11.8 with a 1.5 60 foot on the stock converter as well, and that was on 100 shot of NITROUS out of the hole. So we're going to be running 7 PSI, same setup except for the shift points are turned down, and we're not running any NITROUS at all today. So let's see what happens. Let's get to the track. Hell yeah, guys. So we got about 4 passes in. Wasn't bad. I was hoping for a little bit more. I was really hoping that we could probably crack into the 11s on the setup that we're running. Obviously, we have turned the truck down a lot, plus it's not running perfect. It's still stuttering on the launch a little bit. And like I said, on our nitrous tunes, we were shifting at about 6,300. We have it shifting at about 5,800 due to when we had the shift points at the nitrous setup, we were over boosting. We were hitting about 10 pounds of boost. So lowering the shift points has got us to where we can go enjoy the truck and keep the boost at about 7 PSI. Obviously, we will try to change some stuff with either adding a wastegate so that we can turn the shift points back up and keep the boost at a safe pressure. But that's all stuff we got to work on. But all in all, it wasn't too bad. Stock converter on the 5-speed truck still, and we were cutting 1.7 60 foots. I'm happy with that. I really wasn't expecting to get a 60 foot that good on the stock converter without spraying nitrous. So I'm super happy with that. A stall converter in this truck, and if we can get down to the 1.5 60 foots that we were cutting before on nitrous, we'll definitely run easy in the 11s on this setup with these shift points the way it is. Tons of room for improvement, and we'll figure it out. But as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.